I have a busy life, don't we all? It really makes me savor my family time even more, and there's no better place to be for me than in the kitchen. One of my favorite things to make with my boys is something really simple. It's pizza. It's so textural, the kids just love getting their hands into it. It's a really simple meal, a margherita pizza, but hey, it's hearty and it's delicious. Once all the pizzas are made and they're in the oven and there's a little bit of cleanup going on, I always look over and I find Hudson just peering into the oven, and it's as if it just magically rises. Anybody who has kids knows that when you're cooking, time is of the essence. They want things to happen really, really fast. So having an oven that can preheat in about 7 minutes, it's a dream. Pizza can be the most simple thing in the world, but then of course it's super versatile and you can basically put anything onto it as well. It's really fun to make and it's so delicious. Everybody absolutely loves it.